Gather your materials and follow along to create today's cute costume. I used two 2-liter bottles, black spray paint, purple utility tape, black ribbon, a glue gun, a black leotard, and a goggles kit. Make sure the bottles are empty and dry. Spray paint the bottles and let them dry overnight. Take the bottles and wrap rings around the top and bottom of each bottle with your tape. Cut a piece of black foam board that is a little smaller than the wearer's back, but big enough to secure the bottles to. Glue the bottles to the board and add some ribbon to each corner for shoulder straps. To make the flippers, I found a template online for the flippers and enlarged them to fit my child. Cut it out and then place on a piece of colorful craft foam and make a pair of flippers. Cut out an opening to slip them over their shoes. Paired with the goggles kit, and this costume is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.